Good evening, everybody. 大家好. My name is Heng Sure. Today is Thursday, August the 6th. I'm here at City of 10,000 Buddhas. This is the first of our weekly Pure Land practice for Westerners and Easterners and everybody who wants to recite the Buddha's name together with an orientation in English. So why is this done this way? Master Hua taught us to recite the name of Amitabha, Buddha, as much as he taught us to practice chant meditation. The Pure Land method brings the vows of Amitabha forward, and it encourages us to believe, to decide to follow the Buddha to his Pure Land, and then to recite his name and let his vows work through us. So it's that third step, the practice of reciting the Buddha's name, which has traditionally been carried in a Chinese cultural form, Namo Amitabha. That form is beautiful and full of meaning for those raised in it for the last couple millennia. But it can feel unfamiliar or hard to enter for Westerners, for modern-minded Asian people who didn't grow up with it. So for these reasons, I propose that we create an online Pure Land practice community and invite people who want to recite the Buddha's name in English and learn devotional songs in English that increase faith in Amitabha's vows and that share this wonderful story. So that's what we had in mind. We're going to meet every Thursday, 7:30 San Francisco time, and chant together. If we have 15 minutes, probably 7 minutes Namo Amitabha, and maybe 3 to 4 minutes or so Amitabha, like that. That's the traditional way. And as different aspects of English language format become available, we will introduce them to everybody. So the length is negotiable, but we wanted to keep the footprint light so that people feel it's not a burden to join us. Now, certainly one of the best things to make the most of our early start is to be here on time. So we're going to jump right in. I want to share with you now a song called I'll Never Stop Reciting, and we're going to go right from that into the Buddha's name. So this song, by the way, the lyrics are here on the screen, but the same website that you used to sign up with, the song is available. The lyrics are there to download, and we will be we'll be adding songs as we go. A Buddha named Eternal Light, he vows to save creation, made a land where suffering's gone, a place of liberation. So use his vows and be reborn, lotus flowers delighting. Simply keep his name in mind, never stop reciting. Sahaland is a place of pain, struggle and contention. Find a world of utmost bliss, first set your intention. Those men or women, rich or poor, rebirth not delighting, apply themselves with a single mind, never stop reciting. compassionate vows, with melodies unending. My body lives in the world of woe. My heart is world transcending, with bodhisattvas joyfully. I'll soon be reuniting, until I reach Amitabha's land. I'll never stop reciting Namo Amitabha Buddha, Namo Amitabha Buddha, Namo Amitabha Buddha, Namo Amitabha Buddha, Namo Now, there's a traditional way to amplify the goodness from reciting together, and that's to dedicate it away, give it away, transfer the merit. You just make a wish with a single thought. Say, I'd like to give my merit to, with the wish that, whoever you want to give it to, with whatever goodness you'd like to create. Here is a traditional one, and if you don't have anything better, then just use this one to send it off for your lotus flower growing in the land of utmost happiness. And it goes like this. May I be born in the western land of ultimate bliss, where the 9 grades of lotus blossoms are my father and mother. When the lotus opens, may I behold the Buddha and awaken to the unborn, with irreversible bodhisattvas as my companions. Homage to all Buddhas throughout the 10 directions and the 3 periods of time. To all the bodhisattvas, mahasattvas, and the great perfection of wisdom, Maha Prajna Paramita. Here we go. And notice on my backdrop I have something probably as close to a Pure Land as we can get in America, and that's Buddha Root Farm, our wonderful monastery up in Oregon. So that's pretty much what we had in mind every week. We will be augmenting, while this is mostly for practice, for xiu and xing instead of xue. We're not studying, we're practicing. But at the same time, our teacher, Master Hsuan has given us some incredible teachings. This is called Listen to Yourself, Think Everything Over, the Pure Land version, Amitabha Recitation. And we have Pure Land and Chant Dharma talks. We will be referring to some of the basics of Pure Land, the idea of the 3 requisites of faith in the story, resolving our hearts to go there, and then practicing by reciting Amitabha's name. So we'll be talking about principles like that a bit, but mostly we'll be reciting. All right, everybody, thanks for joining. Please keep reciting. Make this your own. I want to mention the reality that nobody owns this Dharma. This is entirely public domain. It is Creative Commons license. Everyone owns it who wants to recite it. Does it belong to anybody? It belongs to the awakened mind, which is universal. So make it yours. Look forward to being with you all next week. Ami Tofu, everybody. Bye now.